Welcome to this video on finding the coordinates of the start or end point. I will demonstrate two methods on finding the start or end point given the midpoint, one with the aid of a diagram and one using the formula. Example 1. You can pause and have a go. Note, point B is on the line extended, but we need to find exactly where it is. Remember that midpoint is halfway. So from the diagram, let's see how many moves we can make horizontally and vertically to point M from point A. Now it takes 3 moves to the right and 1 move up to get to point M. Therefore, we're going to take the same move to find point B. So we take another 3 moves to the right and 1 move up, and the coordinates for B are 7 and 4. Now remember the x value comes first before the y value. Another way to view this, with reference from point A, coordinate 1 and 2, is for the x coordinate that's the horizontal move, we've got 1 plus 3 plus 3, which is equals to 7. And for the y coordinate, the vertical move, we've got 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is equals to 4. Let's recap on the formula on finding the midpoint. Note, to find the x-coordinate of the midpoint, we add the x-coordinates of A and B and divide by 2. And to find the y-coordinate of the midpoint, we add the y-coordinates of A and B and divide by 2. Now, still on example 1, let's state the formula. To find the coordinates of B, according to the formula, 1 plus x2 over 2 equals to 4. Therefore, we now have 1 plus x2 equals to 8. Now to find x2, our answer is 7. Now let's get on to the y-coordinate. According to the formula, 2 plus y2 all over 2 equals to 3. Solving that equation, we now have 2 plus y2 equals to 6, and finally y2 equals to 4. So our coordinates for B are 7 and 4. And we can see that displayed on the diagram there. Example 2. You can pause and have a go. Let's state the formula for finding the midpoint. We can tell that our point A is going to lie on the extended line, but we need to find out exactly where. To find the coordinates for A, let's look at the x-coordinates first. We add x1 plus 2 all over 2 equals to negative 3. Gives us x1 plus 2 equals to negative 6, and our x1 equals to negative 8. Now let's look at the y-coordinates. We've got there y plus 1 all over 2 equals to negative 2. And y1 plus 1 equals to negative 4, so our y1 is negative 5. So we can tell that our coordinates for A is negative 8 and negative 5. Now, still on example 2. From the diagram, let's see how many moves we make vertically and horizontally to point M from point B. It takes 3 moves down, that's why it's presented with a negative 3, and 5 moves to the left to get to point M. Therefore, we're going to take the same move to find point A. So we take another 3 moves down and 5 moves to the left, and we'll see that the coordinates of point A are negative 8 and negative 5. Final example, example 3. You can pause and have a go. Now let's take the formula to find the midpoint. To find the coordinates of B, let's look at the x-coordinates first. We've got there -5 plus x2 all over 2 equals to -2. So we've got -5 plus x2 equals to -4. So our x2 equals to 1. Now to our y-coordinates. Our 4 plus y2 all over 2 equals to 1. So we've got 4 plus y2 equals to 2, and y2 equals to -2. So our coordinates for B are 1 and -2. Now, still on example 3, from the diagram, let's see how many moves we make horizontally and vertically to point M from point A. It takes 3 moves to the right and then 3 moves down to get to point M. Therefore, we're going to take the same move to find point B. So we take 3 moves to the right and 3 moves down, and we'll get the coordinates of B as 1 and -2. Well done. Keep on learning. Don't forget to click the like button, press the notification bell, and subscribe for more of our daily videos.